Kia ora koutou. Okay, so this is the last video in my making my own tobacco series, which I'll organise properly into the playlist. You can check out the playlist. Before we get into that though, what I want to just say a few words about our raison d'etre for this channel. Although we feature videos about things like this and all manner of things, the main purpose of this channel is to help people who suffer from a lesser known mental health condition called retroactive jealousy, which is horrible, trust me on that one. If you want to find out more about that, there's plenty of videos on this channel about it, over 120. In essence, it's a condition where people become obsessive around their partner's sexual and or romantic past. If you think you know anyone that might have that, please put them in touch with some of our materials and help spread the word for us. So, getting on back to the tobacco. I have broken it up into tiny little bits. I've removed the kind of the veins and stems and all that kind of thing. I think I'll put my paw in there to give you a sense of scale. I think some of the bits are still a little bit too big, perhaps. So I'm going to break this up a little bit more. Quite enjoy messing about with this, actually. Listening to YouTube videos and podcasts and things and playing around with this is good fun. So it's tobacco. It smells good. So I'm going to make it a little bit finer, and then I'll find someone to test it. So I guess there might be a further video episode. I'll do an update if I do get someone to successfully test it or unsuccessfully test it, and let you know how they got on. But pretty much as far as my side of things, it's complete. So I will see you again in the next video, which may be on all manner of things. It could be about retroactive jealousy. I've got some more stuff I want to do around all about Eve songs. I'm thinking about doing something around the song Road to Your Soul, because I've found a lot of things that correlate with that recently. So look out for that one, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting what we do. Lots of love, Rangimarie.